Welcome! If you've ever been tagged in random or unwanted posts on Instagram, you're going to love this new update. Instagram now lets you manually approve tags, and yes, you can do it directly from your PC using Instagram Web. Let's walk through how to turn this feature on step by step. First, open your browser and go to Instagram Web. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up. From here, click on Settings to open your account settings page. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions and click on it. This is where Instagram gives you control over how others interact with your profile through tags. Now, find the option called Manually Approve Tags. Click into it and you'll see a toggle or option to enable tag approval. Turn this feature on. Once it's enabled, anytime someone tags you in a post, it won't automatically show up on your profile anymore.